dumb shit. Your bitch eat me like cereal. You can have a hoe, it's not that serious. All on that dumb shit, busting out the windows. That bitch made me come quick, I send up out of business. I can't fuck with y'all niggas, period. Why everybody wanna be a killer, I'm just curious. Get jammed up, crackers how you shook up. Tell them about the connect, now how you got the hook up. It's hard for me to understand some of y'all niggas. Can't stop off my horn with a flag and a whistle. Loyalty's an issue, these niggas jealous. Recipes is coming, gotta keep your weapon. Everybody real nice, shit, I'm just guessing. Family tonight, if you flaw, I won't respect you. 2 more years of probation, I'm stressing. Walk up to the mind of a 10-time felon.
Free block of bands. Moochie. No shirt was handy. Looking for a nigga but can't find me, but no, I ain't hiding. I be on the ground when y'all whining, sweating and slinging nicks and dimes still. Bitch, it been 5 years, your ass still out here, stop it.
Bird.
Catching players, you catch the charges. Sitting on $500 bond, bitch, you broke and retarded. Don't say you bout that money cause you lying. All you got is a Glock in your pocket. Weed and rocks that they ain't buying. How you smoking up all of your profit? Call around for a perk or a molly. How you got beef with Boone Harvey? Plotting for them dollars in they pocket all cause you heard they got it. But all you did was sit around and watch it. Every time you score, you spent your money on them J's and them hoes on them up-to-date clothes. Real niggas got real shit to show. Stay down to the ground, turn them more. A more turn to a lot make you move smart. Don't associate with broke no more, cause they'll rob you. Everybody wanna win, but wanna do the process, the progress. Stress around, trying to keep up with their friends. Get in front of some bitches and pretend. Get in front of some niggas and pretend like you walk around with 10, you little dick puller. No drive, no hustle, ain't even got your own mind, no muscle. All you know is struggle cause you cool struggling. Cause if you want the money, you gon' get some money. Like when you want some pussy,